Now that I've covered the workflow, let's build something simple. We'll create a 3-screen corner setup from scratch. We'll start with a new project. First, we define the space. Using the Shape tool, we draw the room layout. Then we set the dimension, length, height, and scale. This ensures everything aligns correctly in the final environment. Next, we place our virtual windows. In this case, 3 screens forming a corner, 2 side by side and 1 adjacent. We refine the size and position, making sure they align with the physical layout. We can preview the space to validate the setup. In the Config tab, we can save the configuration for reuse or iteration. And once we're happy, we can export directly to an nDisplay configuration. What would normally take hours of setup can now be done in minutes. This is where Space Builder starts to change how immersive environments are designed and deployed.